أهلا بيكم. هنكمل مع بعض درس تاني جديد من دروس الماث rounding numbers and estimation. Rounding number to the nearest 10. We first need to identify the digit in the 10 column, which is 5, and then we look at the value of the next digit to the right. Since that digit is 3, which is less than 5, so we round off. That means we keep the 5 as it is. Any digit to the right of 10 column we replaced with 0 in our rounded number. We just keep all the digits in the left of 10 column the same in the rounded number. 4,850. Rounded number is 4,850. نروح لل nearest 100. The digit in the 100 column is 8, and the next digit is 5, so we round up. That means the digit 8 becomes 9 and 4. The answer is 4,900. هنروح ل nearest 1000. Identify the digit in 1000, which is 4. The next digit is 8, which is more than 5, so we round up. 4 becomes 5. 0 0 0. طيب rounding to decimal places. 249.5046. We identify the digit which it is the first digit after decimal point. We round for one decimal place, which is 5. The next digit is 0. The next digit is 0, so we have rounded this number to 249.5, one decimal place. Type 2 decimal places. The digit or the second digit after decimal place is 0, and next digit is 4, so 0 will keep 0 as it is. 50 249 249.50. طيب عاوزين نعمل 3 decimal places. 3 is third digit in decimal. The third digit after decimal place is 4, and next digit 6. طبعا 6 is more than 5, so we round up. The 4 digit هنا becomes 5. 5.249. 249.505. طيب هنروح ل rounding to significant figure. Significant figure. The first significant figure for this number is 5. A significant figure is a digit in a number that gives you information about the number size. We identify significant figure from left to right. So the first significant figure is 5. The second significant figure 3. Third significant figure is 8. We look at the value of the next digit of 5 is 3, less than 5, so we round off 5, keep 5 as it is, and we have rounded this number off to 50,000. We remove the we replace digits by replace digits after in the right line by replaced by zeros. Type we're going to this number 0.005089. Here's a rule for us. If you have a zero at the start or the end of a number, it does not count as a significant. But a zero between two digits, it does count. So the first significant figure is 5. The next digit 0. So next significant figure is 0. طيب two significant يعني الزيرو هنا after the next digit is 8 more than 5, so we round up, 0 becomes 1, 5, three significant figure, the third significant figure is 7, the next digit 6 more than 5, so 7 becomes 8, 0, 0, 1, 1080. Estimation, estimate 23 times 67. There are steps for this. The first step is you round each number in the calculation to one significant figure. يعني and secondly you work out approximate answer. 23 first significant 2, the next digit 3, so 20 times 6 first digit, first significant figure is 6, and next digit 7, so 6 becomes 7, 0, 70, 20 times 70 equal 1400. طيب هنا the first significant figure 4 and the next digit 6 more than 5, so 4 becomes 5, 3.9 becomes 4, and over 398, 3 first significant figure, 9 is the next digit more than 5, so 3 becomes 4, 0, 0. 9 over 200 equal 0.45. sorry هنا 20 400 0.45. This calculation 42.2 440 minus 5 equal square root of 35, square root of 35, 36 equals 6. طيب هنروح نشوف مسألة example. Write this number correct to two significant figure. The first significant figure is 7, second significant figure is 6, and the next digit is 4, so we keep 6 as it is 0.076 and remove another digits. Also this one for 100 10,100 the second significant figure 0 and next digit 1, so this number becomes 10000, 10,000. What is 9,236.5 kilometer to the nearest kilometer? Nearest kilometer means whole number 6 in the unit column, and next digit is 5, so we round up this number round up 9,237. كده نكون انتهينا من درس النهاردة، واشوفكم درس تاني جديد ان شاء الله.